Okay, so next we'll cover today whose begin. Okay, whose begin. So that is the section BB here. That is the section BB clearly visible here. So that is the section means this one is only material is here. So total distance is 30. Total distance is 36. This one is 30. So this one becomes 3 and this one becomes 3. And here every four corner same chamfer, that is 1 into 45 degree. Okay, so first we can create select YZ plane and then go to the sketch here. Here first we choose one line from here. Okay, this one is one line, and then suppose this one is 17.5. Okay, 17.5 is the distance. Okay, so this one is 17.5. Okay, this one is 17.5 and the total distance is 36. So here we can create from this to that distance is 36, means this one is 18. Okay, so now this one is 18. Okay, then after that we can create here one line which is 4.5. Okay, which is 4.5. Okay, so that is 4.5 just clearly visible here. That is 22 and that is 17.5. Okay, that is the two radius showing here. Okay, so that is 4.5, and then we can create here one line from here. Okay, so that is here 3, distance is 3. Okay, so now this one is 3, and after that we can create one line here which is 1, and then suppose create one line from here. Okay, so that is one line. Next after that you can select this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, just by control select all the lines. Okay, and after that we can create here mirror with respect to that line. So now this one is mirror. Okay, after that we can create here one 3 radius. Okay, 3 radius, means 3 is the diameter, 1.5 is the radius here. So create here one circle which is circle here, and create here diameter is 3. So now this one is diameter is 3 and trim it. Okay, trim. This one is trim. Okay, this one is trim. So that is diameter is 3, and then we can create here chamfer, or you can create 3D chamfer also. Okay, you can create 3D chamfer also. So after that now delete this line. Okay, this line is not required here now. Okay, so after that we can create here one axis here. With respect to that axis, this one is rotate. Okay, so here exit workbench and then shaft it. So now this one also 180. So now this one is 180 shaft we can create. Okay, so that is 180 shaft we can create. So next is here, chamfer. Here chamfer, suppose this edge and this edge, and here also this edge and this edge. Okay, you can chamfer it. Okay, so 1 into 45 by default is here, then okay. So now this one is chamfer. So this one is created push begin. Okay, just this one is push begin. Okay, so everyone create as per timing. Okay, so this one is called push begin.